On your girls right now. They're watching them.
These young ladies have an entry in the chili cook-off. They're watching one of the judges taste it right now. Watch for his reaction.
Tomato taste.
We took a second bite. So we're watching the judges in action. Judges, tell me what you're going through right here. What's some of the process of judging?
Spoon, chili, mouth, repeat.
Water or tea? Beverage?
It's been so far so good.
Cleaning
So
your palate.
Cleansing the palate.
So good, yes.
All right. So what are you looking for in a good chili here?
I'd said robustness.
Robustness, flavor.
These are making my nose run.
Okay. Do you need some Kleenex?
No, I'm gonna
Okay.
make it.
In second place, number 4.
That's your girls. Second place, go! Go get your chili.
We have a small trophy to go with the spoons that says close but no cigar.
Second place.
Okay, and in first place is number 7. That's you.
Thing was rigged. It's rigged.